This little spiky guy is called a Kiwano, or horned melon. And you can grow one from a single seed. Here's how. I opened a ripe fruit, kept one seed, and tucked it into moist seed starting mix. Then filmed the whole journey in time-lapse. Soon, the first tiny sprout breaks through the soil, small but packed with energy. And since Kiwano is a climber, I pushed a simple trellis right into the pot to give it something to grab. From here, it really takes off. New leaves unfurl, the stem thickens, and tiny tendrils appear. Day by day, they curl, hook, and grip, climbing the soft ties and wooden stakes, inching higher with every day. I give it plenty of light and keep the soil evenly moist. Warm and bright works best. Every 2 to 3 weeks I feed lightly, more nitrogen early, then shift toward potassium for flowers and fruit. At about 100 days, blooms appear. Look closely at the female flowers. You can already spot the miniature spiky fruit at the base. I helped with a gentle brush pollination, and right after the fruit set and began to plump up day by day. As the weeks roll on, the fruit gets bigger and bigger, and after a while it starts to take on a yellow-orange glow. Slow and steady, but so satisfying. And this is how you can harvest your own Kiwanos at home.